Hey everybody, welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I am Daniel, your host of this channel. Well, first and foremost, I want to say thank you to 1,218 subscribers. That's phenomenal. I'm glad to see my channel is growing. Hopefully we'll hit a couple thousand here soon. Anyways, I just want to reach out and let all my new subscribers and old subscribers, I want to come to you, say I apologize if I come off like a-hole sometimes in the comment sections. It's just I take a lot of crap from people, like non-subscribers especially. They'll comment and they'll say some rude stuff, they'll say something about my video not being good, or I didn't show enough, or let's see, there's a bunch of different stuff, or like the video didn't make sense to them, or it didn't fit what they need, or the vehicle that they watch had nothing to do with the vehicle they're working on. That's not my fault. Or I get negative comments about my nervous condition, about how people think I'm a drunk or a drug addict or whatever. Anyways, point is if I come off like an a-hole to you, I do apologize. I do appreciate your comments, your feedback. It's great, but sometimes I can only take so much, and I just have enough. So you don't have to stay subscribed to my channel, but I do appreciate you being there and following along. If you watch my videos for the playlist for the Pontiac G6 series, I don't own that car anymore. I haven't owned it in 4-5 years. It's been a while. The Pontiac G3 that I worked on, if you're watching it for that video, or Chevy Aveo, same thing. We haven't owned that vehicle in probably about the same amount of time, 5 years. Let's see, trying to think what other vehicles I've worked on in that video. The Chevy Colorado that I work on, it does really good on views, actually. It's currently got a locked up engine. I just lost interest in dealing with it, so it's just sitting there collecting dust. So yeah, so that's the case. Right now I'm working on me and my nephew, we're working on a lawn tractor that we're trying to turn into like a racing mower. So that's the current build. So, but anyways, I don't want to make this video very long, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here. I just want to say thank you to everybody, and feel free to comment below if you have any questions about any video that I posted, or I will give you my feedback best I can. Let me know if you know what I could have done better, I guess, or whatever. So, but anyways, thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.